Hi, this is Alden with Ebbe America, and if you're a hot mop installer, this drain's for you. This is the Ebbe compression seal drain, made of high temperature plastic, specifically designed for hot mop. Stainless steel fasteners. One of the special things about this drain is these washer / seal heads. You can't over compress the O-ring in there, so you can always have confidence that you're going to get a watertight seal. The drain is a compression seal drain. We do have a seal inside of here. This cup pulls up and compresses around the pipe, adaptable to ABS, PVC, cast iron, or even copper. To seal the drain and compress that seal, we're just going to screw these in and get a nice watertight seal. Hot mop goes down. We do have some locations, if you have or over wood, you can fasten it to the ground. And then we have our clamping ring with built-in weep channels and access for all the weep water to come into the drain and drain through. Fasteners are also designed with a hex head as well as a number 2 Phillips driver on the inside. Makes installation a lot easier. You don't have to go searching for a driver for any of those. So this drain is compatible with our standard riser. It's also compatible with the hex drain, as well as the 6-inch and 4-inch legacy tile-in drains. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can go to our website at ebbe-america.com or find a distributor from our distributor list. Thanks for watching.